Welcome to the global keynote for today with Daniel Koppel. It is developing a winning go-to-market strategy. So Daniel is the co-founder and CEO of Prospera Technologies, a technology company aiming to define the future of agriculture through data science, computer vision, and AI.
When we felt we had enough traction and that we're gaining product market fit and the business is growing, then that was the first time we went and brought in institutional investors. And again, there it was really, we were very lucky to only spend a few days on the round, and we raised $7 million. If you can, getting a strong brand behind you that doesn't have a huge sense of urgency for a quick exit and that has the expertise and experience is always a bit better. We had a few core values that really, we didn't define them, but rather when our HR VP came in, she went and spoke to everyone in the company, and she said, these are like really very apparent in the company culture. The first one was challenge everything. So as a culture, and I think that comes maybe from like the sciencey background and coming more like I mentioned I'm not the physics guy, but the other two co-founders were very much in a like physics approach of questioning everything. And so challenge everything was really at our core. A great tip I got at the time, which I'm happy to share here, is you just want to make the other side feel comfortable. Because it's going to be hard enough to get a meeting anyway. You're not at the top priority of the person you're speaking to typically.
So just a quick recap of our core values. So we do focus on authenticity, reciprocity, and then humility, and then inclusivity.